time out. Now that's petty. So y'all said the V6 hit the Hellcat?
Yeah.
The insurance is not the same, cuz. It is not the same.
It's show, man.
In the tree, cuz, in the tree getting the fix.
Yeah. I've been waiting on my turn like it's better let it shine till you feel it all you burn and they put you in a heart. Straight on me down, I put that ink on me down. You're the rep in the city, you're the rep in the town. I got steak in the silk, I got steak on my plate. No mistaking, I was staking out some money to make. They pump faking when they hating, they ain't passing the ball. When I get it, Kyle Watson, I ain't passing it all. Live above the rim. Dirty bird to the grill, let it flip, boogaloo, yeah they trip, shoot like shit. If I hit her with a dick, she nuts so off a cliff, let it.
So I done pulled up to the Southern Sliders Stunt exhibition out here in Morrow, Georgia. Waiting on everybody else to show up, cause you know, black people show up on black people time. They said they was meeting at the Walmart in Atlanta, well one Walmart in Atlanta at 10 o'clock. It is now 11:38. And they just now meeting up. I went ahead and came because they said they was meeting at 10, so I was like, well, I ain't gonna make it at 10, but apparently I could have still went to the Walmart. But waiting on them to show up, so when they get here, I'll get back with y'all.
It ain't loud enough. So the event started at 11, but as you can see, niggas don't show up to about 1 o'clock.
Niggas asleep.
Black people time, like he said. You asleep?
Oh, damn.
You asleep? Oh, this gonna be a thumbnail.
Oh, shit.
Oh, what the? You ain't parking to that Tesla car. You ain't parking to that Tesla car. He paid $60,000. You was not finna hit that. Look at the Mitsubishi 3000 GT. He said I'm gonna park here anyway. Bold
man, fuck that bitch, came back to my senses. Two-tone shot came back to the biz. That's 550, that's plenty little bitch. Stop posting these niggas, that's dead for you. Get it, I'm pulling up rank, I'm shouting. Killing my haters, these niggas not dead enough for me. I don't want your bitch, little shawty ain't slick, she don't lick, she don't suck and get head enough for me. I got these big ass rocks, flew to the city, fuck me and my man, shit, big ass thigh, thick ass top. Slide on my tip and them rich ass, slick ass mouth. All of my niggas be fucking, I don't even know the word though. Bitch, you got budget, I up. She wanna fuck, too scary to touch it. Put black in her tunnel, I'm Harriet Tubman. Got Maybach and Maybach, I'm balling on niggas. That's payback to payback on all of my bitches. I make it wait for the play. Bought me a cup, sticky, stop on niggas. Bought me a loot at the end. Shorty came, bought me a loot, that's green. Hit them both, they know they look like twins. I like this. My shoes, she wanna fuck me. T-O-Base, come on, touch me. Bitch, got some ass suit, dang. Bring it to me. Bitch, shut the fuck up! Bitch, get off my dick. Y'all niggas still turn from the seats.
The guys that are throwing this event have paid for it. We are 2 seconds away from being shut down at this point. You guys can't listen, stay on the other side of the barriers. You can't listen, stay out of the way of the entrance. It's not a joke. You guys gotta listen. Otherwise, we all get to go home. I'm begging you. Please, just listen to us. All right, man, the show gonna go on, man.
Money, 300. Fuck her. Once I get the head, it's fuck her. Cheers, straight like monster. Roll go keep on making money. Got what you been on, I see money. I know I keep coming, I see you. Take something, he get it. Shit ain't working, I get straight. Keep my walk on there. Bank won't want me no fraud. At least 900 in car. They go on my bitch, sell hard.
got into a wreck with a V6.
Real quick. What do you say to your insurance about that?
I hit a Hellcat.
It was a hit and run.
No. What is the Hellcat say? What is the
It was a hit and run.
I got hit by.
Somebody hit my shit on the side of the road, cuz.
You better say a deer hit that motherfucker.
What deer? No, what? Wait, oh. What deer is black?
And what kind of deer is it?
What kind of deer left black marks on your car, sir? It's black.
You might have been muddy.
That's why you can't get away with fraud. You keep a regular job, sir. You in the military?
Was.
Oh, well, you need to go back.
Hell no. No, this pandemic.
This nigga said I got hit by a deer. Deer left skid marks all on my shit.
Tire marks on your car, sir?
I ain't know. I couldn't see. I just saw the.
Yeah, you the
That's all I
thumbnail.
saw.
You the thumbnail again. You done made it. You done made it. You the thumbnail again.
Cover me,
No. And you know what the word's gonna say? This nigga. And I'm gonna put you in the beginning. Yeah, he said by a deer.
More sheets, she wanna fuck me. T.O.B.S, I wanna touch him. And she got some ass so tight. Bring it to me. Swear she's fucking granny sleep. Bitch, shut the fuck up.
Whoa, Hellcat Demon.
That's what it was, right? Oh, you're right.
Sir, what?
A Hellcat
A
Demon?
Hellcat demon.
It was a Hellcat.
It was a Hellcat, not a
Where the
demon.
demon
No
come in
demon.
at?
No demon. It was.
I mean, if you.
I did two with the
it's okay to dream, bro.
V6. I
It's okay
did
to
two with the
dream.
V6 Panther, you know. So I tried to.
It's okay to dream.
Hellcat.
We
You can
understand.
just say Hellcat. That's your 2 words right there. We're gonna leave it at that. Exactly.
Tell no more. It is my time to shine. $40 million headbands, nigga. It is my time to shine. Bitch, get the fuck out of my life. It is my time to shine. Shorty keep talking that this and that. Y'all long bitch, my time to shine. Niggas in trouble, now they paying me double. Fresh Air Force couldn't pay me to stuff. Dead Benjamin head sitting in duck. Wanna send me upstate, now it's getting in the tussle. Hopping on PJ, going out to PF. Hopping out to London just to see stuff. Yeah, I know I'm young, but I can fuck you like a BF. Or you finna die, you take 3 steps. I was getting money out the lean. Back with Lil P, Lil J, Lil Fresh, getting B&E coming out the scene. Blue Bill, hundreds, bitch coming out jeans. Blue with that booby trap, fuck it, I redeem. Got my K-O-K. Now nigga thumbing through the green. Last song told you that my face wasn't in it. If you caught a nigga cheating, fuck with the scene. No joke, that bitch, I might bring back Cristal. Might stop telling these niggas my moves, they taking my groove, bitch, how? Get that man back his style. That's my dog, and he still shut clothes. He can walk my chain and he bust that road. One thing we don't all do about bitches. We ain't finna fall out of our hoes. Wall, my sheets, she wanna fuck me. T.O.B.S, I wanna touch him.
But you almost killed him.
Ass so tight. Bring it to me.
You almost killed him.
Fucking granny sleep. Bitch, shut the fuck up.
Alright, well, y'all can see this shit over with. Shit over with. We out here. It's hot. COVID running rampant.
No, we gonna catch y'all later.
How you gonna hit my shit? All the police were here, but then they all left because they're going to chase somebody. So now we can go and cruise. No, not cut the fuck
Y'all wanna
up.
follow me over there? Y'all wanna follow me over there?
Where you going?
They about to go to rodeo. So I'm meeting them right here in the corner right here. We're gonna go there together. Mucho and Lacey going over there too.
Mucho.
Hell yeah, my shit keep cutting off, my battery keep dying. So he about to unhook that shit, but
Oh, somebody
we gonna
wrecked.
go over there first and then.
This
Go ahead, you go ahead, just let me know.
They pulled him over. He ain't even do nothing. He just merged in the traffic and they got behind him and pulled him over. So leaving the event, dangerous game, buddy.